I have to make a huge decision, but I keep putting it off. There are just so many options, and I'm terrified of picking the wrong one. Why is choosing so hard?
Seeker, you are not struggling with the lack of choice, but the burden of too many. The human mind is not built for endless options. The pursuit of the perfect choice paralyzes action, leading to regret for the choices you didn't make.
But I feel like I'll miss out if I don't consider everything. How can I ignore all the other options when one of them might be perfect?
To gain clarity, you must learn to eliminate. First, the 80-20 rule of outcomes. Second, the minimum viable choice. When facing a large choice, simplify it to the next immediate good step, not the final destination. Momentum is better than stagnation.
So the goal isn't to find the perfect path, but to choose a good path? But how do I stop myself from immediately regretting my decision once I've made it?
Your final tool is the principle of irreversibility. Once a good choice is made, accept it. Focus your energy not on looking backward with regret, but forward with commitment. A good choice committed to is better than a perfect choice never made. Do not let a sea of options drown your resolve. Choose with clarity, commit with conviction, and allow your chosen path to become the right path through your actions.
If you're ready to break free from the paralysis of choice, remember the Grey Philosopher's wisdom. Like this video, share it, and subscribe for more insights that simplify the complex. What is one decision you're finally going to make today? Tell us below.